Hey, this is Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston, and today I'm going to take you through a new arrival of ours. This is a 2026 Scout 330 LXF. Gorgeous boat, full black hull color with the Scout wide accent stripe to match the top side. Really deep boat. This is where they begin their S-Class series, which includes a double-stepped hull and the epoxy-infused E-glass construction. So really stiff, rigid boat. Runs incredibly well and approaches speeds near 60 miles an hour. Coming around to the transom, we've got this boat powered with twin V10 5.7 liter Mercury 400 horsepower Verados. We've got underwater lights, reboarding ladder to the starboard side, and now we'll make our way inside the boat. So here in the cockpit on Scout's 330 LXF, you'll notice we've got a full walk-through transom with the Aztec synthetic teak material. So maintenance-free flooring. It looks really sharp, dresses up the boat nicely. Again, 400 horsepower V10s on this boat. Incredible performance. That includes the new electric steering also. Big spacious cockpit if you want to fish this boat. We have a nice swing-in dive door with reboarding ladder on the port side. Raw and freshwater connections. Pump out fish boxes on both sides as well. Also make for great coolers. Really impressive bilge access on this boat. Everything is really nicely done, easy to keep clean. Well laid out, all finished surfaces. Nice transom seat here. That can also serve as a leaning bolster. Really deep seat, so you have a nice high backrest. Rod holders and cup holders along the back. Easy access to check your oil or fill your oil or remove the entire cowling from the top side of the engines here. Big thick fiberglass door. Keeps everybody and everything safely inside. That's on a magnetic catch when it's open. Starboard side gunnel, we have under gunnel rod storage, also great for deck brushes and boat hooks. Back side of the leaning post here, Corian countertop, freshwater sink, cutting board. We have Edson cup holders that look really sharp. Pull out refrigerator from Isotherm. Slide out Yeti cooler, 65 quart. You can also create opposing seating here in the cockpit for that. Above we have the extended hardtop shade, which also creates a sunroof above the helm. JL audio sound system throughout with subs and amps. Port side, we have 3 drawers of tackle or cutlery storage. Here at the helm, we have our 60/40 seat with fold-down armrests. So whether you're leaning or you're in a seated position, you've got a really comfortable place to either sit and ride or operate the boat. Twin 16-inch screens from Garmin, fully integrated, sound systems integrated as well, along with all the digital switching. You got some overhead switching here as well for some redundancy, including bringing that hardtop shade in. So that'll start to retract back in place. Garmin VHF already installed. Windshield wiper. We've got induction style phone chargers at the dash. Nice upholstery dash cover as well. Mercury vessel view display. 7-inch unit for all of our engine data. Easy to access and not having to clutter up your Garmin screens. Our zip weight controls. We do have air conditioning at the helm in addition to AC in the cabin. This boat is powered by, or excuse me, does have the joystick feature from Mercury, which includes the skyhook and autopilot features. Digital throttle and shift and active trim on those Mercury Verados. Got a nice glove box here with charging ports. Real quick on the starboard side of the leaning post, we have a nice fold-out trash can. Stays out of the way, nice and clean. We'll take a peek inside the cabin. Battery charger outlet is on your way down inside, so easily located. This boat also has solar panels on top of the hardtop that'll keep the batteries tended. We've got our battery switches, distribution panel, ignition keys, controls for our air conditioning unit. We've got another freshwater sink in here, of course our porcelain toilet. We've got medicine cabinet style storage. We have the filler cushion for the berth here. This flips up easily and creates a little settee area. This also makes for really nice storage. And we've also got the bow shade kit in here, which stays on board really nicely and out of the way. We do have the fender pros, quick connects for all of your fenders. Got 2 receivers on each side, midship and at the stern. Here in the bow area, really deep, comfortable bow seating, molded in backrests that really wrap around you. You see how deep these seats are. Got a powder coated grab rail around the entire bow area here. This table with a synthetic teak top, that Aztec material, is a high-low table. So in the cocktail position here, or I can drop this all the way down flush with these cushions or down to the floor. If I want to make this one big sunbed area, put the filler cushion in place and drop this all the way down. We've also got really nice storage throughout, including up in the bow or the forwardmost seat as well. All nice and finished. Big chase lounge on this boat with armrests that fold down. We've got cup holders right here in the middle. Two adults can easily stretch out. Nice deep storage. That's the ladder for the transom. So again, one of 2 ways to access the water. Radar dome already installed. We've got rod holders and rod holder cup holder combo receivers up front. Again, for that bow shade setup. Windlass anchor that's controlled via the pedals up front on the foredeck, in addition to what you have back at the dash. Recessed cleats throughout the boat, of course. We've got cooler boxes here on both port and starboard side. Recessed areas on both sides with some non-skid and charging ports, so great for tucking lines out of the way. And then we've got more good storage here in the starboard side console where we can hang lines and put boat hooks, deck brushes, things we want to collapse in here, again, so we're not cluttering up the cockpit area. And that's a walkthrough of our Scout 330 LXF. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any questions or interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.